what's up? We are back, not on 8 p.m. because I got my answer at 8 p.m. So what we're going to do? What is going to do? What do you want, guys? Why is this one? You know what? I want the team 1. Let's see this stats. This is bad because this is more bad than Titus. Yeah, so we're going to intercept. Let me see. I'm going to shipping. Going to spawn. I'm going to spawn EF3. Let's see how big this can hold. EF3. Let's see how big EF3 is. Let's see radar. Okay, it's heading to sewer. Okay, let me undeploy it. No one is going to deploy this. Okay. Now it's deployed. Now it's fully deployed. Let's see. This is the worst than Titus. So we are in sewer. Look at that bad boy. Look at that sewer. Let's see if sewer. Let's see if tornadoes alert. And guys, I don't see any alert because my laptop's gone. You know what happened last year? You know what happened last year? I rented the laptop on Tiv2 is now made it. So I don't choose that. I choose Tiv1. You know it, Tiv1. Now we just go about that. Okay. Oh my god, is that the FP? Is that the FP or F1? Let's see if EF3 can survive. Let's see if Tiv1 can survive EF3. EF3 is not that big, look at that. Look how big is that. Let's see if EF3 can make. Look at this. Please don't be lifted. Okay, that's good. Okay. Oh, now that's the EF. What is that? EF3, E4. Please don't say that's an EF4. 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 No way. Is that the EF4, guys? Is that the EF4? Let's see if shifted. It shifted. No, it doesn't shifted. Let's see if it's... Please don't shift. Please don't shift. Don't shift. Let's see if it's going to shift. Let's see if it's going to shift. Okay. No. Please hit us. Please. Let's see. No way. It's the F4F5. Is that only dog? No! I got flung away. So, as the beginning of the intro, if I got flung away, I have to end the video.